I used to think cracking my neck was satisfying. Little did I know that this continuous action did more damage than good to my spine and was a sign of an underlying problem. Ever since I tried this whole new method, my neck no longer makes cracking noises or has the discomfort that it used to. Even better, I feel less tired and now I have more energy when I work more than 8 hours. Hey, Christie here, and I'm currently 35 years old. About 2 years into working, I started to feel a lot of body aches all around. Stiff neck and back pain were quite frequent, and my shoulders were becoming very stiff. At first, I thought everything was normal because, being an office worker, we spend most of our time sitting all day. But then I started developing these migraines. It was getting so bad that I couldn't focus at work. Before all this, I used to spend time with my family. But now I just feel so tired that I'd rather just lay down or sleep whenever I could. Most of the time, even though I'm 35, my body feels like it's 60. Thankfully, I discovered Elite Spine Center and saw their advertisements online. I thought maybe give it a try, right? I didn't know that this decision would change my life for good. See, what I like most about Elite Spine Centers is that they help me understand why I'm having so much pain and how to adjust my lifestyle to prevent these episodes from occurring. Our goal is to see you less in the future, he'd tell me. It's the first time I met a business owner who says this to their customers. And he meant it. Because after my first session, I was already feeling good as new. My energy came surging back. I could think more clearly. It's like I don't even need coffee anymore to concentrate. It changed my life. I just wanted to thank all the caring people at Elite Spine, especially Dr. Mike and Dr. Fraser, for helping me to solve my body pain. So if you're someone who's just like me, who feels older than they actually are, and feel like you're not living your best life because of having a body that's under constant barrages of pain, then I highly recommend you to pay them a visit soon. All you need to do is click the link around this button to head straight to their page.